I think today you're seeing a lot of brands moving more towards customer experience as involvement, customer co-creation. We hear a lot about journeys, customer journeys, and I think there's a place for that sort of emphasis. I've always thought that any brand that is a brand that you frequent or are fond of or use, whatever the case may be, there's always been a journey of some kind. And I think though in the day and age that we live in, that's with social media and digital experience, obviously that's been amplified dramatically. But I think about some stores today when I think about co-creation, not some stores, but some different brands out there. Think about your neighborhood pottery store, right? I mean, they've been around forever. And I can remember in the 1970s as a kid getting drugged on with my mom. And what did we do in that store? Well, we had a brand experience, right? We created pottery. You think about a brand like Build-A-Bear. Now, that's obviously a brand that's focused on children, but the parents are clearly an audience. And that's about, a very hands-on type of experience. So, I think today and moving forward, it's really about maybe less about every single, creating some sort of amplified experience every touch point, but really creating a real authentic experience, a real hands-on co-creation type of experience.